Stock invested for beginners. Nvidia caused these stocks to go up. What stocks are they? Today we're gonna look at which stocks could be great stocks to add to our watch list. So by the end of this video, you have an idea of which stocks could be good and you can possibly add these to your watch list. So Nvidia, what's Nvidia? Nvidia is one of the top companies in the world, and their stock return quite good, 1,796, and S&P 500 is only 83.64%. So this is one of the best companies in the world. So they also own a portfolio of stocks that they invest in. Most of them are startup. So startup means that, as an individual investor like you and me, it may not be suitable for us to invest because there's a higher chance of failing among the startup company, right? But anyway, we're gonna look at it. So Nvidia closed the position in Nano X imaging. So that means they sold out everything, all the stock. So that's why it was down 8.66%. And stock number 5, they sold off, closed the position in Surf Robotics. So this is a robotic company. So the past 5 days, it was down 41.97% because of that. See? And their company is only 57 people, 57 employees. Look at this. 57 employees right here, 2024. So it's just started. So I'm not gonna invest in it. It's just a startup company. It's very hard to do not invest in your hard-earned money, right? You use your time to invest in the company. So next one, Hound AI. Hound AI down 24.04% the past 5 days, and yeah, they close out the position. So it's not necessarily a great company. It has not been around for 10 years. I like to invest in companies that has been around for at least 10 years. So it doesn't meet my criteria. So I'm not going to invest in this company. And next one, ARMS Holdings. The past 5 days is up 0.19%. It did not impact ARMS Holdings so much because it's a big company, right? Big company, 168.50 billion. Now the stock market open, it was down. And the Hound AI is only 4.23 billion. Of course, the Nvidia selling ARM didn't impact ARM so much because the company is so big already. And stock number 2, NBIS up 19.82% the past 5 days. 5 days, that's pretty crazy. And NBIS has been around for a long time, since 1989. Hey, I'm starting to interested. Employee more than 1,300. Employee doesn't matter so much. It's 11.32 billion. It's not a small company. All the other companies that we saw before were small companies except ARMS Holding. So 5 years, it beat S&P 500 as well. But the thing is that it has been a public company for only 1 year. So I like to invest in companies that has been a public company for at least 5 years. So I'm just gonna add this to my watch list. So what is this company? It's a company that provides full-stack infrastructure for AI, for large-scale GPU cluster cloud platforms. So it's related to what Nvidia is doing, core business cloud platform with high-performance GPUs in cluster. So Nvidia makes high-performance GPU. So market focus service offer cloud computing, storage, managed services, developer tools for AI applications. So Nvidia is interested in developer tools, so that's why they invest in this company. Partnership with Nvidia, utilizing their high-end GPU to power their cloud infrastructure. So it's a win-win situation. Nvidia invests in this company, and this company also partners with Nvidia. So Navius to build first Nvidia GPU cluster in US, expands offices to serve customers across the country. So that's why Nvidia invests in this company. But it doesn't mean that we have to invest in this company. I own Nvidia, so I know it's technically, indirectly I'm owning this company as well because Nvidia owns this company, right? Companies like Nvidia can afford to lose money. You know why? Because they they have so big cash, but as an individual, we cannot afford to lose money. So I'm not going to invest in this company, not yet. No, just wait for the next 5 years. It's okay if this company goes up, it's fine because that's a sign that it's gonna go up, keep going up the next 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. But I like to wait to have a track record of this stock going up for the past 5 years. So it has been around only for 1 year, so I'm not going to invest in it. But I'm gonna add it to my watches. Okay, let's see next one. WRD up 155% the past 5 days. So where is this company? This company is in China, founded in 2017. It has not been around 10 years yet. So I'm not going to invest. It's a 11 billion company, yes, but it has not been a public company for at least 5 years. So it doesn't pass my criteria. So how about today? Oh, today it went down. So yeah, Massima, no, you see 2024. So not been around for at least 5 years. No, I'm gonna pass. What do they do? Develops autonomous driving technology and vehicles. Self-driving taxi. Yeah, Nvidia next step gonna be robotics and self-driving technology. Yeah, buses, taxi, vans, sweepers. It does advanced driver assistance programs. Yep. So they are trying. You see, lots of companies are trying to get rid of humans. So if you are working and getting salary, I will be really worried. So now is the time to start investing now. And you learn how to trade call option, put option, advanced option. You can travel around the world, just like me. Possibly if you really master those skills. And yeah, the time to start is right now. The link is gonna be in the description comment down below. You can open an account. You could possibly get that stock, free stocks by using my account. So AI model, yeah, they have permits in China, US, and UAE, and Singapore. Not bad, good. But I'm not going to invest in it because it doesn't meet my criteria. And so that's why I've been able to return more than 100% for last year, 2024. And my 401k is 62.1% because I only focus on my criteria. If you focus, oh, this stock is hard, oh, that stock is hard, you just look at the forum, you listen to your friends, no, I will not have made consistent return if I listen to those, like hot stuff, because hot stuff could go down, so you get it. If it goes down, then you are broke, right? Then your return is much less, and plus you are stressed out because you're chasing all the time. I don't have a stress for that. If you see my return, no stress return, this is basically just 1 year, very easy. Yeah, my portfolio goes up and down, ups and down, but no stress. And historically, you see, for the past 2 or 3 years, within 3 years, I already 10 times my portfolio, 21,000, 3,000, because with a focus on my criteria, all those 5 criteria. Number 1, it has to beat S&P 500. Number 2, it has been in business for at least 10 years. Why? Because we want to see how they survive economic cycle. And number 3, has it been a public company for at least 5 years? Because I want to see the stock keep going up, and also their revenue, net income keep going up for the past 5 years. So, and number 4, do I understand? Do I like the business? If I do, yes. Then number 5, how about financial statement? If one or more criteria are not met, I don't even need to look at number 5, financial statement, to waste time, right? So if you want to learn more, go to Master Rich Stock Option Crypto, go to playlist. I have so many education to give you. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next